Two-factor authentication, 2FA, provides an extra layer of security to your Facebook account. In addition to your password, this helps prevent unauthorized access even if someone knows your password. Facebook's code generator is a built-in feature in the Facebook mobile app that creates time-based one-time passwords. These unique codes expire every 30 seconds, providing secure access when logging in from unfamiliar devices. This system uses multi-factor authentication, combining something you know, your password, with something you have, the app on your device. So when you're trying to log in to Facebook or anyone tries to log in, you'll need both of your password and the code from the app to access your account. So in order to activate this, you need to tap on the user icon in the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. Now go to Account Center. From this page, tap on Password and Security. Here, under the Login and Recovery section, you'll get two-factor authentication option that is under the Change Password. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select your Facebook account and choose the Authenticator app as your preferred method and follow the on-screen instructions to set your two-factor authentication. You also need to enter the correct password of your account and you'll be done. And if you want to remove the code generator two-factor authentication, you can follow the same steps but choose to disable two-factor authentication or select a different authentication method. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.